Summer is officially here, and I want to share with you 3 simple ice cream recipes that I hope you'll enjoy. Let's begin. First, ice cream sandwich cake. Line your baking pan with some wax paper and place a layer of ice cream sandwich. Then take your Cool Whip and start spreading it on top of the ice cream sandwich. Go ahead and repeat this step until you have 3 layers. Be sure that on the final layer you use the full tub of Cool Whip to cover the whole cake. Go ahead and freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. Now, I couldn't decide what topping I want. I had some Oreos and I also had some M&Ms, so what I decided to do was just use both. So go ahead and just crush them. I put them inside a Ziploc bag and just crushed it. So it has been about 3.5 hours and I took the cake out and I just started sprinkling it with my toppings. I did the M&Ms first and then some of the Oreo cookies. Now, I wanted to add more toppings or just to make it a little prettier, so I melted dark chocolate milk and drizzled it on top of the cake. And there you go. Up next, how about a funnel cake ice cream? In a bowl, go ahead and mix 1.5 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and go ahead and whisk. Now add your cup of milk, whisk again before adding your 2 eggs. Once you've added the egg, go ahead and whisk until you have a smooth texture. I place batter in a piping bag to easily control it when I start frying. Now I realized that I was making an ice cream sandwich, so I needed something that could hold the ice cream together. So I started creating different shapes. Once you're done, go ahead and put it on a plate. Put some ice cream in between 2 of the funnel cake. I just added some raspberries for decoration and some whipped cream, and that's it. For our last recipe, how about some ice cream bites? Go ahead and spread out some softened ice cream on a wax paper lined baking pan. Once you're satisfied with this, go ahead and cover it and press some wax paper on top. Make sure you spread it evenly. Now, normally you freeze this overnight, but I froze it for about 6 hours. It's been a few hours now, so before I take out my ice cream, I need to prepare my chocolate mixture. So in a bowl, I mix 2 cups of chocolate melts, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I heated this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Just start whisking it until it's all melted. Then I added my 1 cup of Krispy Kreme. I added a lot just because I prefer mine with a lot of Rice Krispies, but you could add less or more, whichever you prefer. Make sure you allow your chocolate mixture to cool down Once you're ready, go ahead and take out your ice cream that's been in the freezer and just start cutting it up in small cubes. Now once you're done making the cubes, you have to work quickly. You need to coat each ice cream cubes in the chocolate mixture and immediately return it to the freezer to harden up.